Hi, welcome to Smell What's Cooking. Today we're going to make dandelion jelly. These beautiful balls of sunshine. Check it out. So my house is a beautifully diverse, my lawn is a really nice diverse ecosystem. So that means I have these lovely little flowers everywhere, dandelions. There's all kinds of things you can do with it, and actually the entire plant is edible. So I picked myself a bowl of these. And now I'm going to clean them. I've already rinsed them off. And I'm just going to pull off the majority of the stem so I get just the flowers. Okay, so that flower made about, I'd say, 2.5 cups of dandelion petals. Now we're going to add to it 4 cups of water. And we're going to bring this up to the boil. I'm also going to add to this the juice of 1/2 lemon. Alright, we have this at a nice rolling boil. And we're just going to turn it off and let it steep. And really let that infuse. There's a lot of natural benefits to dandelions. They carry a lot of pollens, and they catch a lot of the pollens. So some theories would say that it has the same type of health benefits of it consuming local honey. All right, there we go. Just gonna let that steep. Alright, now I'm going to pass this through a fine strainer and get my tea out. Okay, so once you have your dandelion tea strained out, we're going to take 4 cups of sugar. Our 4 cups of tea. Look at that nice, beautiful color. Then we're going to add some pectin. Now pectin it's a fruit product, and that's what lets the jelly, jelly. And for this, we're going to use 1 pack of it. You can find it in most of your bigger supermarkets, and also Walmart always has canning supplies. And a lot of your old school hardware stores usually have it too. Okay, so we got that all in there. Stir it up. And we are going to bring this to the boil. Here in a separate pan, I have my lids and rings. And I'm going to heat them up. Everything needs to be nice and hot so it's sterile. And that way it can be preserved without refrigeration. Okay, so this has been boiling for 2 minutes. My jars are sterilized. I'm going to pull them out. We're going to keep this water going because we're going to process them right away. You can use a pressure canner if you have one, but this is the old-fashioned way of doing it. Show you the process here. I grab a jar. I have my canning funnel, which fits right in. I'm going to fill her up. I want to leave a 1/4 inch of headspace. Headspace is the area on top before the lid goes on. So I find if you fill it up and then remove the funnel, that leaves you pretty close. I'm going to grab a napkin. Make sure the top is clean. Can't have any bits of food on the top there because that's where the seal is. Then we're going to grab our lid and ring, put it on there. And just screw it finger tight. And then we're going to put it back into our water bath for processing. And that needs to boil for 10 minutes. You have to make sure there's at least an inch of water on top of the lids. And I'm just going to repeat that. All right, it's been 10 minutes of boiling away, and we're gonna pull out our jelly. And just take it out, and you let the jars cool. See that nice yellow color it has? Now as these cool, from the heat that we put onto them, a vacuum's going to form and the lids are going to pull down. And this will be safe to keep at room temperature for up to 18 months. So there you go. Dandelion jelly. Try this with some butter on an English muffin or some toast. And a nice use for what you would want to call weeds in the garden. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe for some more videos.